everyone! Welcome back to English Everyday Channel. I'm Taylor, your guide to stories, flavors, and adventures from around the world.
And I'm Jimmy, your snack-powered travel buddy. And today, oh boy, we're officially kicking off our country-by-country series. One country per episode, one giant adventure per season.
Exactly. And for episode 1, we had to start strong. A country with history, coastline, culture, and carbs.
And baklava. Don't forget the baklava.
Yes, plenty of that. Today's country is Turkey.
Or, as they say, Türkiye. Merhaba arkadaşlar. Hello, friends.
Wow, look at you showing off. All right, everyone. Before we explore food and cities and ancient ruins, let's warm up with a tiny Turkish phrase corner.
Repeat after us, slowly. Merhaba. Hello. Teşekkür ederim. Thank you. Nasılsın? How are you? İyiyim. I'm good. Lütfen. Please. Evet, hayır. Yes, no.
Perfect. If you can say these, trust me, every shopkeeper will smile at you.
And maybe give you an extra piece of locum if you're lucky. No guarantees, but hope is free.
Let's start with Istanbul, the bridge between Europe and Asia. Literally, you can eat breakfast in Europe and lunch in Asia. Where else can you do that?
And the ferry ride? Guys, magical. Seagulls, skyline, a call to prayer echoing, and me dropping crumbs of simit for birds like a Disney princess.
Istanbul has layers of history. Hagia Sophia, Blue Mosque, Topkapi Palace. Everything feels alive. And each neighborhood has its own vibe. Sultanahmet, Old Istanbul, history everywhere. Karaköy, coffee shops, art, young crowd. Kadıköy, relaxed, colorful streets, local markets. Beyoğlu, nightlife, shops, Istiklal Street.
If cities had personalities, Istanbul would be the friend who knows everyone, goes to every party, and still wakes up early looking amazing.
Warm, playful tone. Outside Istanbul, Turkey gets even richer. Cappadocia, hot air balloons at sunrise, soft pink sky, fairy chimneys rising like something from a dream.
I swear I saw a rock shaped exactly like a potato. Or maybe I was hungry. Hard to say.
Then there's Ephesus, an ancient Roman city. The Library of Celsus looks like a movie backdrop. And Pamukkale, with its white mineral pools, almost unreal.
Like someone spilled milk everywhere and said, well, guess it's a tourist attraction now.
Okay, now the thing everyone is waiting for.
Food. Let me introduce you to the 4 horsemen of Turkish deliciousness. Kebab, all forms. Lahmacun, Turkish pizza, but better. Gözleme, grandma-made magic. Donar, a hug in sandwich form.
Breakfast is amazing too. Turkish breakfast tables are huge. Cheeses, olives, tomatoes, eggs, honey, bread.
And don't forget kaymak, clotted cream that tastes like heaven went professional.
And desserts, baklava, künefe, lokum, Turkish delight.
Honestly, wear stretchy pants when visiting Turkey. You'll thank us later.
So today we covered the cities, the history, and the food. And trust us, we barely scratched the surface.
Part 2 is coming up next. Markets, culture, festivals, landscapes, adventures, role-play scenes, and real-life travel tips. Get ready.
Thanks for joining us. Subscribe, message us your country requests, and tell your friends we started our world tour.
Gule gule. Bye. And remember, baklava calories on vacation don't count. Scientists agree. Probably.